We are busy, Joe. We are busy. That's how I can align the saw blade parallel to the table. Game over. Meow. Blurry welding glass. So this is a stainless steel rod, M10. And why stainless? That's because I want to use this as a stop as well as the contact, as a contact material for the H-bridge, motor H-bridge. This will be the 90-degree end stop and end switch all in one. For more convenience, it is adjustable here from the outside. Okay guys, so I had to change my mind about where to mount the bracket. So I had to make this piece here. And it took me quite a bit of tinkering, but in the end I got it right and it is working as supposed to. I can overshoot the angles in both ways. So the final adjustment will be done with the end stops. So this will be the anchor plates for the sliding table, of which I don't have any idea how to build it yet. But as usual with my builds, I will figure it out on the fly. The tabletop is 3mm steel plate, and this will be the extension of the saw table or the outfeed table, but I want to have it somehow detachable, construction adhesive. And I think I will do this on the other tabletop as well, because I discovered that it dampens the sound a lot. outfeed table is in place, and I don't go too overboard with it because it is what it is, just an outfeed table. And here is the next thing. It is the subframe for the sliding cross table. This is where I can do all my adjustments to get the sliding table aligned. So that's the next step. The subframe. If you cannot make it perfect, make it adjustable. So this is the way how it works. Here is my up and down adjustment for the sliding table. And here is my side to side adjustment for the sliding table. So I can adjust the guide rails in every direction I want. And these are last but not least the slide rails for the sled. One here and another one here. And I only will bolt them on, not welding, because welding does some distortion. So if I would weld the rails on, they wouldn't stay straight. This one is more or less fixed, because this one is the one which guides the crosscut sled in the end, and this one has some play in it so that I can adjust them and make them parallel. Coat. And even though I don't like painting, it's very satisfying to see things coming along. So here's a quick side note. I ditched the idea of using micro switches as end switches because of the dusty environment. Instead, I'm going with a much simpler approach. It's just a stainless steel contact here, which will pull the GPIO of a microcontroller low to stop the linear actuator. And the same applies also on the tilt function.